Modern electronics products are rarely built by one company alone. Contract manufacturers, design partners, and specialized consultants contribute at every stage. The challenge is giving them enough visibility to help without losing control of your data. LTM, Altium Develop tackles this head on. Instead of static exports and endless emails between team members, you invite partners as collaborators in a controlled cloud based workspace. For example, contract manufacturers get access to the project files, and they also get access to specific views in data they need to plan builds and check manufacturer ability. They see live design data, not a one time snapshot. Comments and concerns stay connected to the exact part of the product they refer to. The same applies to design partners or consultants, whether they are helping with RF layout, power integrity, or compliance. They plug into the real product space, never guessing which version is current or relying on manually assembled info packs. Because Altium Develop is designed to help companies and teams, it is also designed as a peer powered network. There is no limit on how many collaborators can join the conversation. Scale your circle of contributors up or down is projects move from concepts and design to verification and manufacturing. This approach also improves traceability. Every recommendation or decision is captured in the same history as your internal work. From a security standpoint, you still control access. You decide which projects a partner sees, their roles, and how can they interact with that project, in addition to how long access lasts. When partners see the broader context, requirements, and constraints, they make better recommendations and collaborate on the full picture. Over multiple projects, partners become true extension of your team, learning your standards through a shared history of collaboration. Bring everyone into the same product story with Altium Develop. An efficient collaboration starts with a single source of truth.